Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to install WebLogic. In previous video we have seen how to install using the GUI mode. In this video we are going to see how to install WebLogic using the silent mode. So for this silent mode installation purpose you have to first do some things. So you have to download your Java 1.8 and install in your system. So it is already installed in your system, then there is no need to do anything, and just make sure you have set all your required environment variable for the Java use. After the Java installation is completed, you have to download the WebLogic jar file. You can download it from your Oracle site. So this is your WebLogic file, FMW Fusion Middleware file. You can download it from Oracle website. So Java and after downloading Java and WebLogic file, the third thing is you have to prepare two files, main files. One is a log file. This log file actually is a log when you are installing the WebLogic. This file is required using the silent mode. So these two lines are there which you have to write in your log file and save it as a .log file, or you can also directly download it from the Oracle sites, and make sure only the inventory log, this location is correct in your as per your system. Okay, so this only two lines you can also copy paste from exactly from this file. And another file is this response file .rsp file. So this file also you can download from the Oracle site. Just only thing you have to make some changes into this file according to your system. You have to set Oracle home path where your installation will be done. So I have given this installation up folder, and your username, your password, and your host IP and port. So these all the changes you have to make into this response file and save this file. So these two important file which we have to create, and then there is one installation folder you have to create that we have given into the response file where our installation will be created. Okay, so once all this preparation is done for the silent mode installation, so you have to go to open the CMD and execute this command. Okay, the command is that Java -jar space and full path to your Java file, that is jar file, WebLogic jar file, and give silent as a argument .silent and -silent response file, full path to your response file that we have created, and another argument is .inv ptr log file and full path to your log file. So you have to give argument as a silent, response file, and the log file, and hit the enter. Once you hit the enter, it will start the installing WebLogic by the silent mode. So you can see in this file things has been started extracting the launcher, and after at the last this percentage completion will be appear. So while installation some pre-checks will be done, such as your Java version. That's what I told you, to set your version as correctly. In my scenario I have set as a 1.8. so if your version is not properly configured, so you will get error here. So once all the pre-checks are done, so validations are enabled, and then this happens. Once it's completed, you will see in your installation file that WebLogic has been installed. So these are all the files and folders which are WebLogic related. So this is how you can install your WebLogic using the silent mode. So if you get any error, let me know. So this you can see WebLogic has been installed successfully using the silent mode. So this is how we install WebLogic using the silent mode. So thank you so much.